Respect and attraction, separate words, but bound by an unbreakable bond. You can't radiate irresistible attractiveness unless you command unwavering respect from those around you. Unfortunately, most men are oblivious to this fundamental truth. They foolishly think they can conquer women without earning their respect. But mark my words, unless she holds you in the highest regard, she won't be swayed by your magnetism. So, how do you gain her respect? I will explain this in a way that will make you rethink your past choices. Respect, the ultimate currency that forges unbreakable connections. Women bestow respect upon men for their captivating charm, and without it, their presence becomes fleeting. Understand this truth. Men lacking respect are kept out from even entering a woman's friend zone. This principle extends beyond single men, as those in relationships who fail to earn their partner's respect witness their charm wane and their women slip away. So, you want to command the respect of women. You're hungry for the knowledge of what actions will make her bow to your dominance. Well, then let's dive deep into it. And let me enlighten you with 6 foolproof strategies. Follow these principles, and watch as she surrenders her respect to you, even in the depths of her subconscious mind. Number 1. Respect yourself, and watch as she falls to her knees in reverence. You crave the admiration of others. You must first master the art of self-respect. As the ancient Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, respect yourself, if you would have others respect you. Most men remain oblivious to its true meaning. They drain it from their very essence, leaving behind a weak and cowardly presence that women can't even detect. But listen closely, because I hold the key to unlocking your masculine power. To respect yourself is to embody true manhood. Look in the mirror and love the reflection staring back at you. How, you ask? By embracing and yielding honesty, both with yourself and with her. Take responsibility for your actions. Forge a path towards a promising future, and infuse your life with purpose. When you radiate self-contentment, a sense of pride and respect pours out from your being. This potent energy becomes your shield, accompanying you wherever you tread. In the presence of women, they feel your unwavering strength, compelled to offer their utmost respect. But remember this, when you are not honest with yourself, and spend your entire life faking your existence, no one will respect you. Leave a lasting mark and impression in everything you do, and witness the unwavering respect by women that you will get. Keep watching until the end, because the last one is the most important, and you do not want to miss that. Number 2. Be real about your words and actions. When pursuing the women you desire, many men succumb to pretense. They put on a facade, engaging in actions they detest. They shower women with excessive compliments, treating them like divine beings to be worshipped. But let me tell you something. This path only brings shame upon yourself. Acting like a spineless simp will never garner a woman's respect. To earn her respect, authenticity must flow through your every word and deed. You promise to pick her up from work. Don't vanish with flimsy excuses. Speak your mind if you dislike eating certain foods. Tell her if you don't like going to that certain place. Don't be a fake. When genuine admiration arises, let her know. And if you disagree with her, express your thoughts boldly. Initially, she may feel vexed, but rest assured, your unwavering honesty will command her respect in due time. Before we continue, I'd like to announce that we have created a new Discord server. Join now and socialize with all the other masculine men around the world. Number 3. Increase your value. The great Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius once said, Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. To command admiration and respect from women, you must enhance your worth and increase your value. And to do so, grasp what women desire and how their minds work. Comprehend their attractions and repellents. Listen to this closely. There are countless ways to boost your value. Women admire and gravitate towards men who exhibit leadership, taking charge of their surroundings. Confidence will also amplify your value, for women thirst for self-assured men. By assuming the role of protector, knowing you possess the strength to shield her from harm, she'll cling to you like a kitten, never straying from your side. A potent blend of purposeful pursuit, composed demeanor, and enigmatic attraction further strengthens your value. Remember, without crafting a meaningful life and embarking on a journey of progress, personal growth remains elusive. Number 4. Know how and when to stand up for yourself. In the modern world, if you don't know how to stand up for yourself, people will destroy you. Many men suffer from low self-esteem as a result of being overly nice to others. Those men are not nice, they're just a bunch of pussies. This is because they don't defend their opinions and actions when confronted by others. Now listen to this carefully. Being able to stand up for yourself not only makes you more independent, but it also adds charm to your personality. When you know how to defend yourself, you gain confidence, and others will respect you. Not only that, you will start seeing yourself and operating at a higher level. Your self-worth will increase, and you will build respect for yourself. This is how you will create your identity, and women will crave you in that form of being. Number 5. Avoid being needy at all costs. To command women's respect as a high-value man, remove from yourself all traces of neediness. When you exude neediness, she'll sniff it out like a dog and flee in the opposite direction. Women crave love, but not as a mere means to satisfy their desires. Don't give off the impression that you fear losing her, for this relinquishes your power and erodes respect. To earn respect from women, establish personal boundaries. Embrace self-restraint and exhibit composed behavior, leaving no room for vulnerability to slip through. Instead, she'll perceive your authenticity and genuine intentions. Strike a delicate balance in your interactions, demonstrating that you value her and cherish the time you spend together, while also asserting your independence and individual life. When she witnesses your self-sufficiency, she'll be inexplicably drawn to your aura even before truly knowing you. Number 6. Chase your purpose. A purposeless man is a mere spectacle without an audience. Without a clear life purpose, you become devoid of value. Women may be drawn to confident, protective, caring, and genuine men, but they hold profound respect for those who pursue a purpose. Know this. When you're not actively pursuing a life purpose, you're investing in your own growth. A transformative moment awaits when you embody the essence of authority, and she will wholeheartedly respect it. As you relentlessly pursue your life's purpose, your personal magnetism intensifies, rendering women powerless to resist. The beauty lies in this. As a man of purpose, you needn't chase after women. Simply devote yourself to your purpose, and she will pursue you relentlessly. With this knowledge in mind, you will be shocked at how much potential you truly have as a manual. This channel will be your guide to escape the matrix, help you become strong in all areas of life, and unleash your true potential. So that's it for today. This was a very important chapter, and here it mentioned the 6 ways to make a woman respect you immediately, which was mentioned in the book of Herology. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another chapter.